Hello guys, good morning. So we visited the store Walmart Westbrook. So I started scanning all these Hot Wheels pack that they have before we scan all the main lines and the premiums, and hoping to pick up something from here that we can add to our collection. And yes, I think there's nothing that interests me here, so we're gonna go shift our attention to this premiums that they have. They do have exotic NB. They got the Boulevard 2 and the Forza, but apparently all of this stuff here we already got, or we already have this in our collections. So this is Wednesday and they already restocked all the stuff here because I haven't seen this stuff last Monday when I went to visit the store, but I guess we cannot find any chase on this case. People have an assumption that all the workers or the employees are already taking up the chase and all those good stuff, but I'm not sure. I don't want to make a comment on that one. I'm just really happy to be a part of this hobby, like hunting all the cars and collecting them, and hoping that soon we'll get our first chase and then another treasure hunt or super treasure hunts. This set of stars and stripes have been here for a long time now, and I haven't seen a team transport here. I'm hoping that Walmart from Westbrook gonna put one. I really wanted to add the team transport to my collection. Yeah, cross finger that they're gonna add it here. So yeah, I'm gonna show you some of their diecasts as well, like M2s, before we go to the main lines. I like this Coke. I've been keeping an eye on this one. I wanted to buy this one, but the thing is, I find it a little bit expensive. So let's go to the main lines. A little bit to mix up, as we saw a Porsche BMW here on the main lines, but I think on the Porsche line, that's the only thing that we didn't buy, but the rest of it we already have it or add it to our collection. So yeah, I guess we don't have luck on finding anything here. I'm kind of thinking of buying Matchbox as well, as they are doing really good right now on their casting, and most of my cars I'm taking out anyway on their cases. So until then, have a good one. See ya.